Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing 10 simple nail art ideas for beginners. This is something that I wanted to do for so long, so I hope you like it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Design number one, it's super easy. You just wanna apply a little nail tape and then you wanna do like white line as I'm showing you. And once you're done, you want to remove the tape immediately. Then I'm going to add matte top coat because I want to make everything matte. And then I will add a little stud. And that's basically it. Here we go on to the manicure number 2. You want to start by applying as well a little nail tape, and then we're just gonna fill in the little spots just you can see on the video. So first one I'm applying with my hollow nail polish, and I absolutely love hollow, so it's a must. So then I am using white on the lower part, and also you can do any color combination for any of these designs. And then I will just repaint the little white because I want to have one side fully white, and then add a top coat, and there you have it. Looks so pretty. Then we are going on to the next one. You want to use a sponge. We will basically create ombre nail, and it's super easy. I'm using just the colors as you can see on the video. They're like very neutral and simple, which is something that I like. You can use any colors you like. These are just my personal picks that I think they look amazing, but I'm sure the different nail combinations as well look amazing. I love it. It's beautiful. Next one is the simplest one, and I think it's the first manicure that I ever did were dots, and you can use actually end of bobby pin. You don't even have to have like a dotting tool, but I'm doing a little dots and then applying matte top coat, and that's it. Next one is again super easy. We're just going to create a little box on the end of our nail, and then we want to go in with white and create a smaller one and add a top coat, and there you have it. Next one is half moon manicure, which I absolutely love, but in this case it's different variation, and I'm just applying a white, and then I will add a top coat, obviously, to make everything nice and shiny so that everything has nice definition and dries faster, and then adding a little stud and topping it off with a top coat again. Next one is again oldie but goodie, and our basic stripes. You want to use these little nail tapes, apply nail polish on it, and remove right away for perfect stripes. Add a top coat, and there you have it. Next one is on my thumb, and it's super easy to do. You just apply a little bit of tape on one side of your nail near the cuticle, apply some of your hollow nail polish or any nail polish of your choice, remove the tape, and there you have it. After that, I will just do a little matte top coat on the part where I don't have any glitter, and that will create perfect contrast, and you're all set. Here we go with something that is so simple, and back in the day I used to do this a lot. I saw it on Pinterest long time ago, and ever since then I did it when I just started with my nail art, and this is something so simple. You're basically creating like a 3 little steps and then a 3 little smaller ones. After you're finished with that, you just wanna add a top coat for beautiful shine and making the design whole, and you're done. And then we have the final 10th design, which is again super easy to do, and I think the color combination is perfect for this one because it just, this shine of hollow is perfect. So you do this little thing, and then you apply a smaller one of white and top it off with some top coat, and that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment because I love hearing feedback from you. It's my favorite thing. And also subscribe if you're new. All of these nail designs you can have on your nails at once, just like I did, and actually I got so many compliments. But you can do one design, or you can use one of the designs as an accent nail. I hope you guys have a great day, and never let anyone dull your sparkle. Bye!